All right, today we're going to be doing a little bit of gar fishing. Just got out to this location. It's quite beautiful, actually. Hopefully there's no alligators. And I probably just cursed myself saying that. All right, let's get the bait out and see what we get. Nice frozen mullet that I've had. Stinky. Let's just go ahead and strip off a piece right like that. Yummy. So what I'm using today is free lining, small hook, steel leader, and we'll see if we can get on one. I was out here earlier this morning and I saw a couple of them roll, but the water activity looks very, very, very slow now. Current was moving, I'm assuming the tide was going out. This is connected to the Manatee River. And there's a lot of great spooky noises out here, like limbs falling, woodpeckers. This is literally the jungle of my area where I live. Struggling here. All right, here comes the sun now. I might be able to see something. So as you can tell, if you can hear the lawnmower in the background, I'm not very far from civilization. But it's crazy how this is like a backyard in the area where we live, or where I live, and yeah, You've got like old cedar trees, the palmetto palms. Just, it's a really cool place here. I should get off my lazy butt and get the kayak out here. But that would induce work. I don't like doing work. I like to just walk out and fish. Yep, there we go. Another little tug. We'll give him some line this time. See if he takes it. Oh yeah, he's taking it. He's taking it. Oh, he's taking it good. I don't know where he's taking it to, but... All right, fish on. There he goes. Trying to take it back over there. Oh yeah, this is great. Hopefully he stays hooked. Oh good, this water's deeper than I thought. He's trying to go for roots. Oh yeah. And I don't want to slip in. Come on. Oh hey, guess what it is? Not what we want. I forgot. These slimy turds, god dang, he's a big one, are back here. Well, that was exciting. Oh, I got a gar. Oh, I got a gar. Oh, that actually might hold if you didn't hit the line. Oh yeah, that's a gar. That's a good gar. Holy crap, that's a good gar. Oh. All right, switched over to a little, what looks like a paddle tail jig, and guess what hits? Freaking gar. I think I got him good too. This is gonna be fun. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Oh yeah. Well, artificials do work. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna land this guy though. Oh. Oh yeah. Look at that mouth. Holy crap, this is a big gar. I don't think it's... Whoo! See that beast right there? Oh man, dinosaur. Holy moly. Okay, I gotta figure out how to get him on land so I can unhook him and get a good picture. That's a big old gar. All right, come on, guy. See if I can get him around here. Seems to be worked out okay. Let's go, come on. Oh yeah. Yep, this is what we're out here for. I don't want to land him right here because there's no way to pull him up. Oh man, if his teeth get that, oh, I gotta turn him. His teeth are right on that. Okay, there it is. Okay. Just spit the hook right there. Holy crap. That was a big gar on that right there. All right, let's do this again. That was fun. Oh, that was fun. And he really didn't even hit the line. That's good. That's real good. All right, let's try this again. Oh, that was great. That was great. I thought I had a snag. Well, speaking of snags, well, that made my day right there. Something took a swipe at it. That was interesting. There's another gar right there. Let's see if we can get him. That's a smaller gar. He hit it. Oh, they've got so much power. Oh, for what looks like a lazy fish, they have some strength and some power when they want it. Oh, there's a little jack back in here. Oh, that's good. That's good. Woo! Little jack ball. Oh, looks like he's got some growth on him too. Come on, guy. No, don't go in there. He's been spending some time back here, looks like. Oh, yeah. He's hooked good. Little river jack. Come on, fight it out, guy. Fight it out. Fight it out. Yep, you inhaled it. Oh, yeah. Little river jack. All right, come here. Let's see if we can land you over here. Come on, this way, this way, this way, this way. Open around. That was crazy. He's actually eating right there. All right. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. That is probably one of my bigger jacks. All right, let's see if we can do this without breaking my rod. Oh boy, that was my leader. Nope, not underneath the. Here we go, come on. Come on. Up here. Up we go, there we go. Yeah, it looks like he's got a little bit of a growth on him or something right there. Holy moly. Yep. Good hook set right there. There we go. All right. All right, I'm gonna get you back just because it looks like you got some kind of growth going on right there. Not sure what or why. That's a pretty good size jack. All right, yep, I got you, guy. Here we go. There he goes. Whew. Well, that's crazy. Nice multi-species. I say multi-species. The first one I caught was a catfish. Now I got slime. Oh, hey.